spending time on Needles Highway and Iron Mountain Road, I wanted to slow things down a bit. The Wildlife Loop isn't about carving corners or chasing mountain views. It's about seeing the side of the Black Hills that a lot of people completely miss. The Wildlife Loop is about 18 miles long and winds through rolling prairie, pine forests, and open grasslands. It's one of the best places in South Dakota to see bison, pronghorn, prairie dogs, deer, wild burros, and if you're lucky, even elk. The morning greeted me with low clouds, light rain, and just enough fog to completely change the character of the prairie. Some riders might see this weather and head back to town. Personally, I think rides like this have their own kind of beauty. Of course, the wildlife, they don't run on our schedules. Every trip through here is different. It didn't take long before I spotted my first herd of bison. They were grazing well off in the distance, but even from here, you get a sense of just how massive these animals are. Bison once numbered in the tens of millions across North America. Today, Custer State Park manages one of the country's most famous free-ranging herds.
If you look behind me, you can see this prairie dog town, and if you look real close, they're kind of small, but you can see a prairie dog right there in front of the camera.
They may be small, but prairie dog towns support countless other species and are an important part of the prairie ecosystem. And then, exactly what we were hoping for. A herd of American bison, just a few feet off the road. An adult bull can weigh close to 2,000 pounds. They are incredibly powerful animals, and despite how calm they often appear, they are completely wild. The best way to experience moments like this is simply to stay back, respect their space, and let them decide when the traffic can move. One thing I love about the Wildlife Loop is that every ride tells a different story. Some mornings you'll see wildlife around every corner. Other days, the ride itself becomes the experience. Rolling hills, open prairie, granite outcroppings, and quiet roads. That's something that's becoming harder and harder to find. Just when I thought the ride was winding down, and I was nearing the exit of the park, another herd appeared beside the road. Seeing these animals in their natural environment is something photos and videos never quite capture. It's moments like these that remind me why I keep coming back to the Black Hills. The Wildlife Loop may not be the fastest ride in the Black Hills, and it may not have the tightest curves, but if you enjoy slowing down, taking in the scenery, and experiencing a different side of South Dakota, this road deserves a place on your itinerary. Thanks for riding along with me today. If you enjoyed this ride, there are plenty more Black Hills adventures still to come. Until next time, get out there and make your own adventures on the open road.